Hello. This video will show you how to navigate ADP eTime and student timesheets. After turning in your new hire packet, you should receive an instruction manual from the HR department that will show you how to create your ADP account username, which will most likely be your first initial and last name followed by @USG, and password. After you've created your username and password, log on to portal.adp.com. This is what the main page of your GSU ADP account will look like. In order to log your work hours, you'll need to have eTime added to your ADP portal. To check your eTime status, go to Time and Attendance, and then Welcome. In the Additional Links section, you'll find the link to add eTime. Log in using your ADP username and password. Go to Myself, and then Manage Services under Service Access. If you're not a first-time employee, you may see the word Delete next to Enterprise eTime. At the beginning of every semester, you'll have to delete your eTime like so, and then add it back to your account. After clicking Add, you'll be prompted to provide your eTime employee ID. Your employee ID can be found on your ADP portal under the Personal Information and then General tab. If eTime has been added successfully, you should see Delete next to eTime. If you're a first-time employee, you should only see Add next to Enterprise eTime. After adding eTime, log out and log back into your ADP account. Go back to your Time and Attendance tab and click on the eTime for all other employees. If you're a student leader who receives a monthly stipend and does not have any other positions on campus, you should see a time card for your eTime. Click on My Time Card in order to log your work hours. For the time card, input the set number of hours that you're scheduled to work each week. For instance, if you are an SI leader, you'll need to input 10 hours each week between Monday through Friday. Make sure to save and approve your hours and verify that the totals reflect how many hours you're working each week. For employees with the time card function, you'll need to input your hours at least once every 2 weeks, depending on how many weeks are visible at a time. You can find links that will allow you to retrieve a forgotten user ID or password, or change your password on the main portal.adp.com page. If you have forgotten your ADP password, click on the Forgot Your Password link on the ADP main page. Your old ADP password will be reset, and you can either choose to have a temporary password sent to your email address or to have your password reset online. If you have forgotten your ADP user ID, click on the Forgot Your User ID link on the ADP main page. You will need to provide your first and last name and your preferred method of delivery, which is either an email address or a mobile phone number. After your information is verified, you will receive your ADP user ID via the method of retrieval that you chose. If you would like to change your ADP password, go to the Change Your Password link on the ADP main page. You will be required to input your ADP username and your current ADP password. You will then be prompted to provide your current ADP password and your desired new password. If you need any assistance with ADP or eTime, you can contact the USG Shared Services Center at these numbers listed, or send an email to helpdesk@ssc.usg.edu.